product was trading at 44s, I'd be surprised if we weren't able to come down and retest the 3,000 today. And a lot of you might have thought to yourself, what the hell is this guy on? $2,000 drop on the S&P? I don't think so. I told you, if you want to take the other side from us, guys, we'll smash you in the face. We'll give you a doing that you'll not forget. And sure enough, $3,500 later, we're coming down to the 3,000. Is there anybody that now thinks that the 2,700 or the 2,800 was a stupid, daft suggestion that it could happen? Anybody think that now? Of course it can happen. Of course it's easy to happen. If you ever think anything can't happen, then you're not going to be a very good trader, because you're going to be closing off the opportunities that potentially are setting up. Now, you know, is it going to happen today? Of course it's not going to happen today, but could it happen today? Well, of course it could happen today, but the value is not in it just yet for that extra extension. You can see that the value at times has not made lower lows, hence the reason why we've taken profits and then squeezed. It's not making lower lows, hence the reason why we're taking profits, but getting back into squeeze again. Because obviously it might develop, and if nobody starts bidding the 3,000 break here, there's no reason why we can't be trading 2,900 by the end of today. No reason. That's how sensational trading can be when you start thinking about the idea behind the macros and what it is. But the 3,000 is an enormous level. Remember what happened at the 3,000 before, guys? Remember what happened at the last time at 3,000? We were big buyers last night. We bought a lot of $3,000 S&P, didn't we? We were big commercial buyers into this narrative here. So guess what? Those big commercial buys that you took, all these big buyers that we told you about at the MOC and the cash close, the big commercials that bought against that, they're still at 3,000, just the same way as we're still at 3,000. Just the reason why we just seen a big candle coming off 3,000 break. Did you get it? Do we forget about the 3,000 mock trade? Is there a reason why we've got a big fecking blue line at the bottom edge to remind us? Well, that's because we need to be reminded at times. We need to remember that there was a big buyer at 3,000. We need to remember that we tweeted out that there was a big commercial hotshot trading. It was us. There was a big commercial hotshot trading 3,000 breaks last night. And if we don't remember that, we're bound to try and sell into it instead of buying into this bottom edge then. And you can see that the 3,000 breaks just bounced for nearly $1,000 already. Crazy, right?